Sommige dae ek kan nie opstaan nie. The weight is crushing, my hart breek in twee. Bills commando, soos 'n storm wat nie stop nie. How will I make it? Wat gaan ek doen vir my mense? Family on the way, baba kom soon, but the roof might cave and ek voel so alone. In die donker huil ek, tears val so stil, worrying about tomorrow, give me strength, Lord, please will. Things look bleak, die lig is weg, no way out, ek voel ek verdrink elke dag. But jy is nie alleen nie, hold on my friend. Family sal opdag, they'll carry you to the end. God sal voorsien, hy is jou krag en jou brood. In die donkerste nag, hy bring die lig en die hoop. Things will get better, ek beloof jou nou. We will carry you through. You are loved, is geliefd in jou. Die duivel fluister luis in my oor elke aand. You'll never make it, your struggle is te groot vir 'n hand. Ek kyk na my kinders, hulle oë vol vrae. How do I tell them that he's fighting these battles? Rekening is stapel, die bank klop aan die deur, lose my home. Nee, ek kan dit nie verduur, but deep in my soul 'n stemmetjie sê, waak net 'n bietjie meer. Jy is nie alleen nie, hold on my friend. Family sal opdag, they'll carry you to the end. God sal voorsien, hy is jou krag en jou brood. In die donkerste nag, hy bring die lig en die hoop. Things will get better, ek beloof jou nou. We will carry you through. You are loved, jy's geliefd in die hart. Kyk op, lift your eyes, die son gaan weer skyn. The hardest nights make the morning so fine. Ons is saam in hierdie hande gevat styf. Through the pain and the tears, we'll find our way to life. Family sal kom, they'll stand right beside you. God sal provide every need, he'll see through. Jy is nie alleen nie, not alone anymore. Things sal beter word. Open up that door, we will carry you. Ons dra jou deur die tyd. You are loved, jy's geliefd, forever in his sight. Amen. Hold on, my vriend, hold on.